Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products to suit your needs. Today, we're talking about one of the best outdoor Ring cameras on the market, the Ring Battery Video Doorbell with head-to-toe video in Venetian bronze. Whether you're looking to upgrade your security or simply want to keep an eye on things outside your home, this device promises to deliver top-notch performance. Let's start with its key features. First, the video quality. This doorbell provides 1440p HD video resolution, which ensures clear and sharp images, whether it's day or night. With its head-to-toe video, you get an impressive 66% more vertical coverage than previous models. This means you can see more of who's at your door, along with the entire porch area. Thanks to its color night vision, you'll have a clear view even in the dark. The Ring Battery Doorbell is equipped with a built-in rechargeable battery, making installation a breeze. You don't need to worry about complex wiring. Just charge it up, mount it, and you're ready to go. Plus, it includes a USB-C charging port, so recharging it is quick and easy. And if you'd prefer continuous power, you can hardwire it to an existing doorbell system. One of the standout features of this model is its two-way talk functionality. With the Ring app, you can have real-time conversations with visitors at your door, whether you're at home or away. Whether you're asking delivery personnel to leave a package or greeting friends, it's easy to communicate directly through your phone. Motion detection is another key selling point of this doorbell. You can set up customizable motion zones, ensuring that you receive alerts only when it matters. This is ideal for avoiding unnecessary notifications and focusing on what's important. When motion is detected, you'll get instant alerts on your phone, so you never miss a thing. If you have the Ring Home plan, you'll also get smart alerts that can distinguish between people, packages, and other types of motion. Setting up the Ring Battery Video Doorbell is a simple DIY job. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, and you can install it in just a few minutes. Once it's up, you can control everything from the Ring app, which lets you monitor your front door, check live video, and receive notifications from anywhere. For those who are considering long-term use, the Ring Battery Video Doorbell has sustainability in mind. The device is made from 15% recycled materials and features recyclable packaging. With Ring's commitment to renewable energy, you can feel confident knowing that your security system is both high-tech and eco-friendly. In addition, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa. If you have an Alexa-enabled device, you can use voice commands to interact with the doorbell, such as asking Alexa to show you the live feed from the camera or announce when motion is detected. This product offers a fantastic combination of features, ease of use, and reliability. Whether you're looking to enhance your home security or simply keep an eye on deliveries, the Ring Battery Video Doorbell with head-to-toe video is a solid choice that delivers excellent value for the price. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews, and drop a comment if you have any questions about this doorbell or want to share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.